We are here today to talk about this coronavirus. Now the coronavirus is officially renamed to COVID-19 and it was first discovered in China. Everybody's supposed to know that by now. This virus then affect the respiratory system. So it come in like a flu. So you can have sneezing, coughing, runny nose, you can have some chest pain, you can have headache, you feel weak like you want to drop down and you're sitting there. And everybody knows that now the virus just touched down in Jamaica. It is now important for us to ensure that we prevent the spread of this virus. The first thing we need to do, make sure you wash your hand them regularly. You see me? Wash your hand them all the time. Just all the while. Just wash your hand them. Because if you touch one surface, you have a virus on it. See? And you put your hand in your mouth and your nose, I saw a virus spread. So don't just nobody put your hand in your face. No make nobody touch your face.
Then what this?
What? If you feel like somebody's sick, just nobody go around them. You see me? Just nobody go around nobody where you feel so they're sick. And whoever feels sick, just stay in your yard.
That now go happen. That will never happen. You will never live to see that.
If you have the coronavirus, it is not a death sentence. You're not gonna dead automatically if you catch coronavirus. The people with the virus you kill are really the people who have some underlying medical conditions.
That's serious.
Check the facts. These people are elderly people. You see me? The people them are older. And that means that them have a decreased immune response, which just means that the part of the body will fight off infection. For them won't really work too good because either they're old or they have some other illness on top of it. You understand? We see people are wear their mask. You see them their mask, then put these masks on the people and will have the virus. But this mask not going to prevent you from getting the virus if you don't have it already. If you put on the mask, you still have some space around the back around yourself where the virus can still catch up in. But what the mask can help you to do is that if you put on the mask and you touch one surface where you don't know if you have the virus or not on it, it can prevent you from putting it in your face. Yeah, the people them will come to hospital because their fingernail broke off or they have a sprained toe. Now is not the time to come to the hospital, alright? Nobody come to the hospital if you have one little rash from last year and you just want to sort out today. It don't work so, not right now. A corona time now. People, just don't panic. Please, we don't need no more panic in Jamaica right now. The year run hot already. We just need to remain calm.
You are going on the world now. You better you go your bed.